Are you wondering how to increase the value of your home? We're going to be talking all about that in this video. Hi, Zeke and Dirk here with Tanner Realty. We're about to be dropping some knowledge bombs, and some of you may not want to hear what we're going to have to say today. The first biggest thing is cosmetics. Specifically
right there.
Specifically the kitchen and bathroom.
People love kitchens, they love baths, updates to those. Paint, flooring, obviously is a big thing. But really, this video, I'm actually probably going to tell you what not to do. And people don't like to hear this, but when you put on a new roof or replace those windows, unfortunately, you're probably not going to get any more value for that. People expect a roof. They expect windows. Dirk?
Another one of those things is a pool.
Oh my gosh.
Now people might buy your house because of a pool, but it's not going to get you more money.
And pools have been a hot commodity during COVID, but as people go back to restaurants and travel, we unfortunately in Central Arkansas think the pools are going to go back to not as a big selling point.
So you may want to rethink spending $50K on that pool that you want.
Sorry to the in-laws if I offended you. They just put in a badass pool. Oh.
Hey, I'm not going to complain if mom puts a pool in one day.
Okay. So the big things, man, the big items, new HVAC, roof, windows, those things may help your house sell faster, but you're not going to get any more money for it. Kitchens, bathrooms, fresh coat of paint, mulching the outside. People love shiny things, and that's what makes things sell.
If you do need a realtor to help you sell the house or buy one, we'd love to connect you with one for free anywhere in the United States. You can do that by going down in the description, inputting some information, and we'll have a phone call with you to connect you with the best agent in your area.
Hey, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.
See ya.